Hello, this is Father Ken Lau and welcome to the new episode of Nuggets for the Soul. In my last episode of Nuggets for the Video, I talk about the importance of the rest of God. Okay, and in this video, I will just share with you again from the book Jesus Calling from the April 26 meditation. Talks about Jesus making the opportunities for us as we rest in Him. It says, never doubt, have no fear. Watch the faintest tremor of fear and stop all work, everything, and rest before me until you are joyful and strong again. Deal in the same way with all tired feelings. I was worried too when on earth, and I separated myself from my disciples and sat and rested on the well. Rested, and then it was that the Samaritan woman was helped. I had to teach renewal of spirit, force rest of body to my disciples. Then, as your example, I lay with my head on a pillow, asleep in the boat. It was not, as they thought, indifference. They cried, Master, carest thou not that we perish? And I had to teach them that ceaseless activity was no part of my Father's plan. When Paul said, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthened me, he did not mean that he was to do all things and then rely on me to find strength. He meant that for all I told him to do, he could rely on my supplying the strength. My work in the world has been hindered by work. Many a tireless, nervous body has driven a spirit. The spirit should be the master always, and just simply and naturally use the body as need should arise. Rest in me. Do not seek to work for me. Never make opportunities. Live with me and for me. I do the work and I make the opportunities. Living Saint, Jesus, Mary, Joseph, we trust in you.